Hey guys, it's Miss Alexis. So today I'm going to teach you how to make paper airplanes and a paper jet, just in case you want another way. So the materials you are going to need really is just a piece of paper, but if you want to decorate it, I also grabbed some markers. So right now, I'm just going to color it really quick, and usually I just color one side. When I make them with the butterflies, they like to color more than one side. You can color both sides. One side, you don't have to color it at all if you don't want to. Whatever you want to do, no pressure. Coloring it is just something fun. It kind of decorates it. Takes up some time. You could use markers. You could paint. If you had like glitter glue, you could do that and then let it dry and then come back to make your airplane. But on this one, I just added, which is kind of really hard to see, I just added a little bit of color. I think my markers are dry now. So if you just color the one side, this side is blank, as you can see. So you want the colored part to be the outside. So you're going to take these two corners and you're going to fold it in half like so, increase it so then you can see the line like this. So now you have it hot dog style, as they would teach you in school. So we started with a full sheet and we went right in half and our corners met and we creased it. And now our next step is to open it back up like this. And as you can see, it's kind of hard to see in the video, but you have the crease. So you're going to take your first corner and fold it in to the creased line. Like so. So it looks like this now that it's done. So I just took this corner and I folded it into the creased line, as you can see. And then I'm going to do the exact same thing on the other side. So I'm folding the other corner into the creased line. So now my paper looks like this. So I took both corners, folded them into the creased line, and now I have this. So now you're going to fold it back in half. Now remember, this is a paper airplane, not a jet. So you have this cool shape. So it's like your hot dog style, but it goes down at a diagonal right there. Then you're going to make the wings of the plane. So you have to take this half and fold it down like so, like this. So I just took this half and I folded it down and then I creased it like this. Don't get a paper cut. And then I have to do the same exact thing to this side. So I take it down, crease it. So now I have this. So it's like a mini hot dog style with the little diagonal. And then you have to fluff out your wings to make your airplane fly. And then you have this. So here it is, the top, the side, bottom. And something that my kids taught me is that if you just put a little curve in the nose, it flies better. Kind of worked. So now I'm going to do a jet. And this one, I'm going to color my paper really quick. Nothing too fancy. I have a blue marker here that I'm using. And I'm going to color both sides of this one just so that you can see. Alright, there's one side. And I'm going to color the other side, but I'm going to give the other side stripes instead. A little different. And like I said, the first one that flew away on us was a paper airplane. And the next one is a paper jet, which is a crowd favorite in the butterfly classroom. And like I said, they're the ones who taught me that if you bend the nose, it flies better. So then here's my other side. So it's side 1, side 2, So again, we start the same way. You have to go in half, hot dog style. Increase the paper, like so. And then again, you have to open it up. You can see the crease in there. And you have to take this top corner and fold it in on itself. Like this. So then you have this. So I took this top corner and folded it into the halfway line. And I'm going to do the same thing to the other side. So now my paper looks like this, or like this, or like this. And then you have to do one more step before you fold it in half again, which is why it's a jet, not an airplane. So you have it open like this. So you're going to take this top corner right here, where my finger is, and you're going to, again, fold it into the halfway line. So it will look like this. So the jet is the one who has the skinnier wings and the pointier nose. So I took this top corner and I folded it in on itself and I creased it like so. And you're going to do the same exact thing to this corner down here. So I'm going to take that and I'm going to fold it in on itself. Make sure you crease it good or it won't work as well. A good crease, you just run your fingers along it, top and bottom. So now you have this shape, which is more like a triangle. Now you're going to fold in half. And if you notice, the diagonal on this airplane is much longer than on the paper airplane because this is a jet, not an airplane. You're going to take this little flat edge right here and fold it down to the bottom, like so. And again, crease it. And you're going to do the same exact thing on the other side. Take it, fold it down, and again, crease it. And you have to fluff up the wings just like before. My kids sometimes like to put a few extra folds in the wings. Sometimes we give them, they like to call them jetpacks. So we just fold each side a little extra like this. And they call those the jetpacks. And again, don't forget, if you crinkle the nose a little bit and give it a little curve, like so. All I did was run my finger and slide them and it curved it. It helps it fly better. So we have a paper jet here and the paper airplane already flew away. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Have a good night.